This game has a bit of a creepy start. It wants to know my name, date of birth, and hobby. What does it matter to you? What is my biggest dream? I'll tell you my biggest dream is to stop getting pestered with these job interview questions. What's my silliest secret? Oh, is Nintendo trying to take data from us? Even if they were, how would they do that when this data couldn't be distributed to them due to a lack of internet? Everything about this is just weird. You should have seen it coming. Why the was EGAT turned into a helicopter? There's four characters. I know it's Game Boy Advance, but four characters? That's it? If you were expecting to play Mario Party, hence the name Mario Party Advance, well, you're not getting that. Instead, we have a limited number of dice rolls and have to complete fetch quests by ourselves. That's the game. Some games and gadgets fell out of the sky, which serves the purpose of doing side quests, but why do I have to get them? Can't Toad run to everyone's house and get his crap back? So I need to buy this new button ticket. First off, this is with my own money, so thanks for that, pal. And second, look how close he is to the train station. Get it yourself next time. Look, I know it's just a video game, but if an actual UFO showed